Hi there, this is Dr. Lara Ervin-Kassab. I am an assistant professor in the Department of Teacher Education at San Jose State University in San Jose, California. And this video is a quick introduction to how students can post in the Pages app here within Canvas. I'm in the student view in my practice course. And if we take a look down the left-hand side here, we've got all of our app navigation buttons. And what we want to do is we want to start off by pressing on Pages. And we will then go into whatever landing page the professor or instructor has posted for us. For this particular assignment, we actually want to go to View All Pages. And when we click on View All Pages, you'll see an alphabetized list of the pages that are available to you in this course. You can see the front page is marked as front page. But what we're going to do is we're going to click on a general resource plan page for online learning. And when we click on here, we can see that the professor has actually made it possible for us to edit this page. So we're now going to add some resources to this page. Basically, in Pages, this is like something that we call a wiki, which is a constructed page that's worked on by a lot of different people in different places at different times. If we take a look here, we see the title at the top. We then see the subtitle here, and we've got some guidelines, posting resources that have to do with online learning in general. Guidelines are keeping content and links suitable for work and appropriate to the page topic. Do not delete other people's content. Contact the instructor. It's very important. It can be really easy to come in here and accidentally or purposefully delete other people's work. Please do not do that. If you do see something that needs to be edited or removed, contact your instructor. And then also place content in appropriate headings or create headings sparingly. So at the moment, this is all that's on this page. And I can see that I'm going to want to create a subheading because I have gone out and I have gotten some information on something called TPAC, Technological Pedagogical Content Knowledge. Because I'm making it a heading, I'm going to bold it, I'm going to underline it, and I'm going to put it in the center. Then what I'll do is I'll come down here. Actually, I need to rebold it, re-underline it, and re-center it. And I'm going to write Technological Pedagogical Content Knowledge. So right now what I'm doing is actually editing in this document. And as I'm editing, it's saving my work. And when I publish this, it'll publish to the entire course. So I can contribute things that I've found. So one of the things I want to do is come up here to the top. I can put in a table. I could put in a media piece. But the first thing I want to do is put in a link to a URL. I found this really great YouTube video on TPAC, which is Technological Pedagogical Content Knowledge. And when I click Insert Link, then you can see here it's going to come up and say link. I can also choose to just share the link straight. So if I just post the link in, you can see it will embed the YouTube video directly onto the page. I think that's actually a little bit more helpful. However, when you have a page that's being built by a whole lot of people, having video after video after video can be very difficult to navigate and see around. Another thing I can do is I can come over here, and this is Embed Image. I can click on this. Then I can go to my files in Canvas. You have the choice of using a URL, using files in your Canvas page, or you can post things from Flickr. In this case, I know that in this course, I happen to have an image of TPAC. So what I'll do is I'll click on it, And then I will come down here, and I've got all of the choices here. And then I click on upload file, and I think actually it's a PNG, so I'm not sure it's going to let me upload. But that's how you would go about uploading it if you had the file saved in the correct format. I can also come over here and import things from other Canvas commons. I can put in media or record it right in here. I can click on Studio. I have Studio as one of the things that I have here at San Jose State, and I can embed then videos that I record. So if I click on this record button, it will screen capture or webcam capture what I'm doing, and it'll just automatically upload it. I can also add here from my files, or I can upload other media files. So I can post videos, I can post pictures, I can type information in, and that is basically all the ways that I can post things here in Pages. Over here on the right-hand side, I can put in more links, files, or images. And then once I've finished putting what I want to put in, what I'm going to want to do is make sure I always remember that I click Save. And if I'm really excited, I just posted something really cool and I want all of the students in my class to know, my peers, I can click on Notify People that this has changed so they can see that the content in the page has changed. However, please use that sparingly because it will send out announcements and messages and things that could spam people's email boxes. So if I click on Save, then what it's going to do is it is going to post. Here is my TPAC video that I just posted. There is the subheading or category, and then it would show, if I had successfully kept it in the right file, an image here of the TPAC model. So that's a really quick crash course on Pages. I would say go in, play around. Nothing saves until you click Save, so go in and play around with it and have fun putting together a shared page in Canvas.